Vatos, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast, yet again, the Bay Area, California. So let's go ahead and get on with the topic of today's video. I'm going to be unboxing the GoPro Hero 9, something that I skipped up on the first launch because I've learned my lesson from buying previous Heroes or GoPro cameras, action cameras from buying previous times. Typically the first one is not the best one, so I learned my lesson with the Hero 8, Hero 5, and I do have the version 1 and the version 2 of the Hero 8, and now we have the version 2 of the Hero 9. So if you guys know for some reason, or if you guys know what they did to improve the Hero 9, go ahead and leave your comments down below. I've been searching, I've been looking at forums, I've been looking at a lot of different things, and it just seems like I mean, there's no explanation, but glitches wise on the version 2 compared to my version 1 Hero 8, yeah, I mean, that's what I think that's where they just retuned or fine-tuned the whole interface. I'm not sure, because I've updated the Hero 8 and it's still crap, the first version. The version 2 seems to be giving me a little bit of an easier time using it.
Get on with it.
Alright, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Let's look at a few different features here. I already unboxed the Hero 10. I had some overheating issues. I don't believe we have that same problem with this one, but who knows, we're going to have to find out. So this has a 20 megapixel sensor. This is slightly bigger than the Hero 8 sensor, so maybe that's how they were able to get that 5K footage. Yeah, 5K 30 and 4K 60. I believe that's what I have on the Osmo Action as well. I'm recording on the Osmo Action, the overhead cam. This is the Osmo Action, a pretty good camera, even in 2021, a very great camera, highly recommended. We have 8x slow-mo. I believe you have 2.7K 120, and on the Hero 10, I believe it was 10K 120, but it was overheating. So, and I think the only difference between this one and the Hero 10, I believe, is just the 4K 120, if I remember correctly, and I believe it's 5.3K 30. Is that right? Or maybe 60. I'll have to go back into the details, but overall I believe they're almost about the same anyways, overall performance. Let's go ahead and open this. And as you can see, I also have the Hero 9 mod, and I already got that for the Hero 10. I went over that on some of the key details that they have compared to the Hero 8 mod, and I'll probably go over that in this one too. So we have here, yeah, this looks exactly like what you get with the Hero 10. Exactly the same case, high quality case, USB cable. You have a mounting plate, and same thing. Yeah, I mean, typically with the Hero 8 and older, you would get 2 of those, but on this one, it looks like you're getting the case over the second mount, and it's pretty cool. I do miss the colors of the Hero 10, that light blue GoPro color to it. I do like the overall look. And let's see, yeah, this looks exactly like the Hero 10. Is there anything in here? Nope. So yeah, you get a battery, the mounting, and you have some instructions right here. You know what, let's just focus on the unboxing. Of course, I like to ramble and talk about these different products, and I've been a fan of GoPro for a long time. I've been using GoPros for a very long time. Let's go ahead and look at the Hero 9, and this one, it looks like I might have to pull out my So yeah, I mean, I already got this on the other one when I got it for the Hero 10. This also, like I said, fits on the Hero 10. They're both compatible. The Hero 8 mod does not fit on the Hero 9 mod. It's a smaller frame. I have that over there. Let me go get it. Alright, so here we have the Hero 8 mod, like I said, and I have the sessions as well. I have quite a bit of a collection here. Yeah, so this is the Hero 8 mod. As you can see, there is some similarities, but I remember seeing there being a door on the back. As you can see, they're exposed on the Hero 8. On the Hero 9 and 10 mod, they're a little bit more covered up and they have flaps on there. I like the little boom foam cover that you have on here. You don't get that with the Hero 8. The audio quality from the microphone, I mean, it's not that great. I mean, there's nothing to I mean, say anything really about it. But I mean, this is what you get from GoPro. And I was saying that there were some issues with the Hero 8 mod. When you have the GoPro, if there's like some kind of a glitch or something like that, and you have to reset the GoPro, you would have to remove the mod itself and then pull the battery out, which is a pain in the ass. So hopefully we don't have that issue with the Hero 9. Hopefully the version 9 fixes some of those glitches. I remember NorCal was talking about having some battery issues. The Hero 8, this one has given me some corrupted files. I've lost content on this. Luckily, I mean, it wasn't that important, so yeah, I mean, I dodged a bullet there. I've been using a lot of GoPro products for a long time, and like I said, I haven't had one of them, you know, catastrophically fail on me. But who knows? I mean, let's knock on wood, and hopefully that doesn't happen. So let's see. If you guys were wondering what this looks like, and that's pretty much it. So now that's ready for a all-in-one GoPro setup, all-in-one motovlogging setup, which I've already mentioned on the channel that it's actually pretty good. I like the quality of the audio and the ease of not having to, you know, set it up, sync up the voice, because when you're motovlogging, the system doesn't really recognize it. You would have to sync it up manually. I mean, like I said, it's not a big deal for me. I typically do it because I don't like having all that weight on my helmet. And like I mentioned on the GoPro Hero 10 video, this itself with the mod and with the GoPro, this weighs in at 7.2 ounces, which is a huge difference when you're riding for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. I mean, you're gonna start noticing there is a difference between this and this. This is the Hero 8 and this is the Hero, yeah, this is 4 ounces and this right here is 7.2 ounces because I typically motovlog with a digital recorder, but I might be changing that. Who knows? It just depends. I mean, that's what yeah, I think what happened was, yeah, I mean, I used to do jiu-jitsu and my neck got pretty messed up on one of the training sessions, and then of course I'm in front of a monitor. I use my neck a lot, and then when I ride to work, I have the helmet on. But anyways, man, I'm really rambling. This is supposed to be an unboxing and first thoughts. I mean, yeah, we're gonna have to give it a try and see what happens. As far as the the Action 2, I'll probably do a separate video and just talk about that, the differences, and probably compare that to the Sessions, which I have right here. This is a good little camera, but it just doesn't have that 4K 60 or 4K you know, 120. Those are typically the settings that I'm always looking for, is having that high quality frame rate on some decent quality picture. But like I said, it all depends on your rendering and it depends on what you upload. So anyways, thanks for tuning in for a simple unboxing. I know it's a little late to the game. This has been out for a year, but who knows? I mean, maybe there's typically some people just like seeing the recent stuff. So yeah, I mean, that's why I'm filming this. So you guys just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.